morning, you guys from worldwide. I just like to share you our first floor machining and tooling. All of these are solid snow drivers while cutting, and here and there. These two machines are just brought from Japan 3 days ago. They are in working now. You're warmly welcome to our factory for visitation. Also, you can have some of your familiars and your agents come to our factory. We professionally making high precision components, parts and accessories for molds, especially for precision plastic injection molds, especially for LED lead frames, IC and connectors. Thank you very much.